Hi children, hope you all are fine. Okay, I think everybody studied last class portion, right? I think everybody completed your works, workbook, notebook, everything and studied that chapter. What's the name of our first chapter? Yes, our first chapter is about leaf. So I think everybody understood that lesson and everybody studied. Okay, then today we can start our second block. Yes. Okay, our second block is fruits and seeds. Okay, so our second chapter, block 2 is about fruits and seeds. So first we are going to discuss about seeds. Okay. So in this lesson, today's class, you have to identify, you have to classify seeds into different groups. So what is the aim of today's class? Group seeds into, classify the seeds. Okay. So our aim is classify seeds. How to classify seeds? How to classify or group the seeds. Okay, so I am going to show some pictures on the board. Everybody look here. Okay, yes, sesame oil, mustard oil, almond oil. These are some oils, right? These all are some oils. I showed some pictures of oil we are using in our daily life. From where we get this oil? From where we get these oils from? Yes, we get oil from some seeds. We get oil from some seeds. Okay. So we are using some other seeds also. Now I am going to show you some more pictures. Everybody look at the board. Okay. Yes. Rice, wheat, maize. These are the some seeds. They are very hard. So we need to cook and eat. Okay. So these are the some seeds we need to cook and eat. Rice, wheat, maize. They are called grains. They are called grains. Okay. Then next some more pictures. Right. Yes. Green gram, black gram, dal. These are the some seeds. They are very hard. These seeds also we need to cook and eat. Okay. So these are called pulses. These are called pulses. Okay. Then next some more pictures. Okay. Yes. Cumin seed, chili, coriander. These are the some seeds. How we use these seeds? These seeds are called, what we call these seeds? These seeds are called spices. These seeds are called spices. When we add spices in food, it will increase the taste and flavor to the food. So coriander, chili, cumin seed, when we add in the food, there is very nice smell will come out, right? Yes, so they are called spices. Okay, then some more pictures. Yes, walnut, pista, groundnut. These are the some seeds that we used to eat, right? So these are the some way we can classify the seeds. So these all seeds, most of these seeds we used to eat, right? So today I am going to teach you a new word to you. So a new word I am going to teach you, that is edible seed. Edible seed. Okay, what is edible seed? Edible seeds are the seeds that we use to eat. We can eat. Okay, so what is edible seed? Edible seeds we use to eat. The seeds that we can eat are called edible seed. Seeds we can eat. Seeds we can eat are called edible seed. Okay. So now we studied the classification of edible seeds. So edible seeds are classified into first what I told, oil seeds. Second I told, grains, pulses, spices, nuts. Okay, these are the classification of edible seeds. So first we will discuss about oil seeds. Yes, oil seeds. This is the first classification. So oil seeds means what? From the word itself we can understand oil seed. So oil seeds are the seeds we use to make oil. Oil seeds are the seeds we use to make oil. So this is oil seeds are the seeds we use to make oil. So example for oil seeds, almonds, yes, groundnut also we can use for making oil. Okay, sesame, mustard, sesame oil, mustard oil and all very familiar, right? We are using in our daily life. So almonds, what is almonds? Yes, look here, almonds, badam, we are eating more, right? Very tasty. Why when we eat this almond, what is the speciality of it? Yes, when we eat more almonds, no children, when we eat it more, it is very good for our skin. It is very good for our skin and it will increases the ability to think. So everybody should eat it more. Okay, it will be good for your body. So oil seeds, everybody understood, right? Okay, next we can discuss. Next classification it is grains. What are the grains I told? Yes, what are the grains? First one is rice. Then yes, wheat and maize. Rice, wheat and maize. Okay. Sorry, oil seeds I will write on the board. What are the oil seeds? Oil seeds are, yes, groundnut. Sorry, sesame oil we will write. Sesame oil, sesame, mustard, almonds. Okay, then, so grains are rice, wheat, maize. Okay. Next one is pulses. What are the pulses? What are the pulses we are using? Yes, green gram, black gram, then kidney beans. You heard about kidney beans, right? Dal. These are the some example for pulses. So green gram, black gram, yes, dal, etc. are the examples for pulses. Okay, then next we can go for next classification. Okay, next classification. Next is spices. Yes, what are spices? Cumin seed, cumin seed. Next one is cumin seed, chili, coriander. Yes, spices are cumin seed, chili, coriander. These all are the examples for spices. So why do we add spices in food? Yes, when we add spices in food, it will increases the taste and flavor to the food. Okay, so spices also you understood. Next we can discuss, next we can write next classification, that is nuts. So the nuts are, yes, groundnut, walnut. Walnuts are the example for the nuts. So these are the some seeds we use to eat. Okay, so eat and we use it to make some other purposes also. That means make oil. Okay, so these are the edible seeds. So now we studied what is edible seed and how we can divide the edible seed, right? So edible seeds are the seeds that we use to eat. Okay, example, our classification of edible seeds are oil seeds, grains, pulses, spices, nuts. Okay, then we are eating some fruits like banana, guava. When we eat this, you check to children, inside of it we can see a small thing. What is that? What is that? That is seed, isn't it? So while we are eating that seed also. So some fruits we are eating seeds along with it. Okay, then some fruits like mango. How many seeds we can see in mango? How many seeds? Yes, we can see one seed. It is very hard, right? One seed we can see. Some fruits like lemon. How many seeds you can see? Yes, we can see few seeds inside it, right? Then some fruit like watermelon. How many seeds we can see? Yes, we can see many seeds, right? Okay, so we can we can find different number of seeds in some different fruits. Okay, then I think everybody got it. What is edible seed and how can we classify the seeds into different group? Okay, so after listen this class, what you have to do? After listening this class carefully, you have to take your workbook and you have to complete S1. Okay, after completing S1, you can then only you have to hear the next class. Okay, so our next class is about role of seed. Okay, next we are going to discuss about role of seeds. Yes, so our second topic, next topic is role of seed. What is the role of seed? Yes, role of seed. What is the role of seed? Anybody can say? No. Okay, I will say. What is the role of seed? Seed grow into a new plant. Okay, so what is the role or function of seed? A seed grow into a new plant. What is the role of seed? Seed grow into a new plant. Okay, grow into a new plant. Okay, then so I told seed grow into a new plant. So anything is needed for seed to grow, or it will grow without anything it can grow? No, it need air, water and sunlight. What are the things needed? Air, water and sunlight. It get adequate air, water and sunlight. It grow into a new plant. Okay, seed get adequate air, water and sunlight. It will grow into a new plant. So there are some process are there in between these plants grow, seed grow into a new plant. Okay, that process, the process of seeds grow into a new plant. The process of seed grow into a new plant is called one new word. Again I am going to teach you one more new word, that is germination. Okay, germination. What is germination? Germination means the process of seed grow into a new plant is called germination. Okay, so there are some steps are there. I told some steps are there for germination. I will teach you, I will say an easy way to you. Okay, what you have to do? Okay, what madam is doing, the same way you have to perform at your home. Okay, so I am going to imagine myself as a seed. Okay, so I am an apple seed. I am the seed of apple. Okay, so at first, so how the seeds grow into a new plant, I am going to show you. Okay, so yes, at first I am an apple seed. So first step is I am an apple seed. Okay, then once I sown in the soil. Okay, so second step is once I sown in the soil. Okay, then third step, once I sown in the soil, at first my root come out. Okay, at first my root come out, then I am a sprouted seed. Next one, I am a sprouted seed. Okay, then my leaves and stem come out. Finally, I will grow into an apple tree. Okay, you understood? So first step one, I am an apple seed. First step. Second, what happened to me? Once I sown in the soil. Without soil I can't grow, isn't it? Once I sown in the soil. Yes. Next what happened? At first my root come out. At first my root come out. Next I am a sprouted seed. Next I am a sprouted seed. Sprouted seed. Then my stem and leaves. My leaves and stem come out. Leaves and stem come out. Finally what happened to me? Finally I will grow into an apple tree. An apple tree. Okay. So these are the some process. A seed grow into a new plant. So you have to perform like this, how madam told. So I am an apple seed, I told. You can imagine you are any other seed, mango seed or any other seed. Okay. So I hope everybody understood how these seeds grow into a new plant. So I told the process. This process is called germination. This process. So these are the two keywords you studied. So the process of seeds grow into a new plant is called germination. So I will show to you. I brought some germinated seeds with me. I will show to you. Look here, children. So this is some of the seeds that you can see germinated. Look, everybody do it at home. Okay, what you have to do? You have to take some green gram or black gram, anything, you take it and keep it wet for 2 days. Then you can see like this seed started to root will come out and it become a sprouted. It started to sprout. Okay, then sprout means what? We can see a white thing. You can see, look here, we can see a white thing come out from the seed. That is means it is sprouted, isn't it? Sprouted seed. Okay, then you can see this, you can do at your home. Okay, yes, this is the germination of seed. White thing you can see, sprouted seed. I brought many, but I think you can see, children. Look here. Okay, today itself take some green gram or black gram or some pulses and keep it wet. Okay, then you can easily find out, you can easily see it is germination of seeds. You can easily study. Okay, then so your notebook, what you have to do? You have to draw the picture of a germination of seed. So while drawing germination of seed, how can we draw? First it is a normal seed, right? So first step we can draw a seed. Then second day a white thing come out. Then next day we can see it become started growing like that. You can draw and later it become a plant. So this is the way you have to draw, study the germination of seeds. Okay. So these are the different steps. So when you have to, your workbook, you can see one activity, put number for each step, germination of seeds. Okay. So draw this germination of seeds neatly in your notebook. So first step seed, then root come, then it become a sprouted seed, leaves, stem all come out and it will become a plant. Okay. So these are the this is the main role of seed. So I think everybody understood about the germination of seed. Okay, then now after completing this part, germination of seed, you have to do S2. Okay, so after completing S2, you have to just look out the practice question. You can see 4 practice question today's class we discussed. So you have to try to write this practice question, and after you try, then only I will send the answers. Okay, it is because of you have to do the work, this practice question alone. Actually that is your work, but we are helping. So at first you try to do the workbook, practice question. After that I will clarify it. Okay, so I will send message through our group. So everybody understood today's topic? Okay, today we studied about edible seed. What are the different divisions or classification of edible seed? Next we studied, yes, role of seed, and two new word we studied today, edible seed and germination of seed. Okay, I hope everybody understood today's class. Okay, so next class we will meet with other topic. Okay, bye.